Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Sagittarius. As usual, we'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and love energy. Before we start the reading, I would like to thank you all for your great support and your positive comments, guys. So we will pick few cards for your daily energy, Sagittarius. These are for your daily energy, and I'll be picking one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. So this is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, guys. We will turn the cards as we proceed. So we will start with the daily cards, guys. Daily energy. It's 7 of Cups in reverse, 7 of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, this may relate to your personal life or your career situation, Sagittarius. So with these cards, in your situation today, you are really happy for how things are going. You are thinking about that positive goals, what you have reached, and your future plans, your future goals, and what you need to do, what choices you need to make for your future. So all that you are thinking within yourself, and you are making those decisions today, guys, and you are really contemplating on that success, whatever you have reached till now, and what you need to do further to make things manifest in your situation, guys. That is what I see. And maybe in your career or it may be in your personal life, whatever desires you have or whatever projects you may be associated with, all that is reaching success, guys. So it may be in your career or personal life, something which you are planning for yourself, you are able to reach success, enjoy that happiness because of that success, Sagittarius. That is what I see with these cards. And again, in your career situation or in your personal life, you know what is your goal and what is your path and what you need to do to reach that success, and you're making those great efforts today, and to make things go your way in your career or in your personal life, Sagittarius. And you are progressing towards your goals, whatever you have planned for, again in your personal life or in your career. So you know exactly what is your destination, guys, and what is your future. So you are a person of clear planning, and you execute your plans diligently. Maybe that is the reason you are enjoying success. Maybe with this person, or it may be in your work, all your plans that are decided by you, your future plans. Maybe you are planning to get engaged, or maybe you're planning to get married. So you are progressing towards that, making that effort and necessary steps, going in for that deep understanding with that person, and that clarity with this person. So you are making that effort. If it is something in your work, again you are making that effort to reach your goals and success, guys. So what is the card for your career situation, Sagittarius? Queen of Wands in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, you are making the effort, and you are tasting success also, I see. But there are some people in your situation, they are opposed to your ways of work. So the way you are working or the decisions you are making today, or they are simply jealous of you guys. That is what it is. They are simply jealous of your success and how you handle your situation so well. So they are trying to compete with you, or they are indirectly trying to create some obstacles or something to hinder your progress in your work. So they may try to steal your efforts, or they may try to create obstacles for you in your work situation. So you need to be aware of those people. Identify those people whom you cannot trust in your work situation. So maybe they may pose as your friend, but in their heart of hearts they are not true to you. So you have to be really careful, guys. And again, you have to be aware of such people and stay away from them for your own benefit, Sagittarius. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Seven of Swords. So again, I see here that some kind of a negative card here, guys. Maybe this stressful situation may be in your relationship. So with this person, you may not have that reliability and that loyalty, guys. They are not devoted to you. They just want to make use of you, maybe financially, or maybe just for the sake of this connection. They are there not for love. They are not here in this connection for love, guys. So they just want to make use of you. So you need to be really careful. They may be trying to use you for your status, your position, maybe your successful life. They just want to enjoy that success with you. So they are not truly attracted to you, guys. They are simply trying to act like a loving person, but in truth they are not that. So you have to be really careful, Sagittarius. That is what I see with this card, guys, and that is the reading for today, Sagittarius. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.